How to make a group on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can make a group on Snapchat app. Now making a group on Snapchat is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Make sure to stay tuned to the video till the end. Simply open up Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. Here first you'll be able to head to your chats. Now here you can see chats. Now what you want to do is tap on the blue icon. There you can see the blue icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. There, simply tap on it. Tap on the blue icon that you can see along with the pen there. Simply tap on it here and then you'll be able to find the option new group on the screen. Simply tap on new group and here you can see new group name popping up. Simply tap on new group name and make sure to create a new group name here. Once you name your group here, and what you want to do is undo. You can search for a particular user or you can scroll down and you can select users to add to your group. Once you select users to add to group, you can select any users that you want, any number of users, and then tap on the chat with group option at the very bottom of your screen. Once you do it, your group will be created and you can start chatting with your friends on the group. So this way you can make a group on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.